Are you ready to get started with Top Echelon and maximize its potential for your recruiting business? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to use Top Echelon, a powerful tool for recruitment and staffing agencies. Whether you're just starting or looking to improve your workflow, by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to set up, navigate, and use Top Echelon to grow your business. Plus, stick around until the end, because I'll share a special offer that gives you access to an exclusive extended free trial. Now, let's dive into getting started with Top Echelon. First, once you've signed up for an account, you'll be brought to your dashboard. This is where you'll find all your recruiting tools in one central place. From here, you can manage job orders, candidates, placements, and more. The interface is user-friendly, so you won't feel overwhelmed. But if you're new, here's a tip. Make sure to customize your dashboard so that you can quickly access the features that are most relevant to you. For example, if you're mostly working with candidates, you'll want to pin the Candidate tab to your dashboard. One of Top Echelon's most powerful features is its candidate sourcing tools. The system comes with a built-in database of resumes, allowing you to search for candidates based on specific skills, locations, and job titles. To get started, just click on the Candidate tab from your dashboard. From there, you can either browse the database manually or use the search filters to narrow down your results. You can also create a pipeline for your most promising candidates, making it easy to track their progress throughout the hiring process. In addition to candidate sourcing, Top Echelon offers a robust job order management system. This allows you to easily track job orders, create job postings, and manage your client relationships. When you're ready to create a job order, simply click the Job Orders tab and select New Job Order. Here, you'll be prompted to enter key details about the job, such as the job title, location, salary range, and required skills. The system will then match your job order with relevant candidates from the database, saving you time and effort. Don't forget the built-in communication tools. With Top Echelon, you can keep all of your communication with candidates and clients in one place. Use the messaging system to send notes, emails, and even text messages directly from the platform. The best part, everything is logged, so you can easily reference past conversations to stay organized and maintain strong relationships. Now, one of the things that sets Top Echelon apart from other recruiting software is its ability to collaborate with other recruiting agencies. You can share candidates, job orders, and even placements with other agencies through Top Echelon's network. This is a huge benefit, especially if you're looking to expand your reach and access a wider pool of candidates. Lastly, Top Echelon also helps with your financials. You can use the software to generate invoices, track your commissions, and get a clear overview of your business's financial health. This is incredibly valuable if you want to stay on top of your cash flow and ensure you're getting paid promptly for your placements. And here's the best part, you can start using Top Echelon for free. Yes, I've got a special offer for you. Click the first link in the description below to claim your exclusive extended free trial. This gives you full access to the software, allowing you to explore everything it has to offer without any commitments. So, to recap, Top Echelon is an all-in-one recruiting software that will help you manage your candidates, job orders, client relationships, and finances with ease. Whether you're a solo recruiter or part of a larger agency, this tool can help streamline your entire workflow. Make sure to grab your free trial through the link below and get started today.